this video let's know who had defeated number 1 chess player. Chess is one of the oldest and most popular board games. It is played by two opponents on a checkered board with specially designed pieces of contrasting colors, commonly white and black. The objective of the game is to capture the opponent's king. The one player to have beaten Carlsen in classical chess in Norway this year is Praggnanandhaa, so the world number 1 was out for revenge with the white pieces. He didn't get it in the first game, however, since the Indian star correctly judged that he could hold a difficult endgame. At the 2024 Norway Chess Tournament, Indian chess player R. Praggnanandhaa defeated Magnus Carlsen, a Norwegian chess player. Indian teenage chess sensation R. Praggnanandhaa defeated world number 1 Magnus Carlsen in the classical format for the first time at the ongoing Norway Chess Tournament on Wednesday. Let's know about them. GM Praggnanandhaa Ramesh Babu is an Indian grandmaster who had one of the greatest youth careers in chess history. Praggnanandhaa is ranked 12th in the world by the International Chess Federation. Magnus Carlsen, born November 30, 1990, Tønsberg, Norway, is a Norwegian chess player who in 2013 at age 22 became the second youngest world chess champion. How many times did Magnus Carlsen lose? To date, the 28th of January 2023, he's played 1901 classical games, winning 771, losing 278 and drawing 851. So 278 lost games. Nobody's beaten him consistently, and he had a record 125 game streak lasting over 2 years without losing a single game. How many times did Praggnanandhaa win against Carlsen? In 2022, Praggnanandhaa has defeated Carlsen for the third time. This is an incredible accomplishment for such a young player. What rank is Praggnanandhaa in chess? Grandmaster Praggnanandhaa Ramesh Babu has 2755 rating and ranking number is 12. GM Praggnanandhaa Ramesh Babu is an Indian grandmaster who had one of the greatest youth careers in chess history. Praggnanandhaa, who only turned 18 years old in 2023, is one of the youngest grandmasters and world championship candidates ever. Praggnanandhaa was born in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, on the 10th of August 2005. His father, Ramesh Babu, works as a branch manager at TNSC Bank. Praggnanandhaa's mother, Nagalakshmi, is a homemaker who often accompanies him when he travels for tournaments. His elder sister, Vaishali, is also a chess grandmaster. Aside from chess, Praggnanandhaa enjoys playing table tennis and watching cricket in his spare time. His sister Vaishali defeated fellow Indian Koneru Humpy to register her first classical win in the Norway Chess Women's Tournament. Despite Humpy's slight advantage in the opening, a critical blunder under time pressure allowed Vaishali to claim victory. This was her first ever win against India's number 1 female player, making her India's number 2 female player on the live rating list. Praggnanandhaa at Tata Steel Chess Tournament 2023. Full name Ramesh Babu Praggnanandhaa. Country India. Born the 10th of August 2005, age 19. Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India. Title Grandmaster, 2018. 5 rating 2750 according to September 2024. Peak rating 2757 according to July 2024. Ranking number 12 according to September 2024. Peak ranking number 8 according to July 2024. He earned the title of International Master when he was just 10 years old, setting a new record as the youngest person to achieve this remarkable feat in chess history. At the age of 12, he became a Grandmaster, making him the second youngest Grandmaster ever. In 2013, Praggnanandhaa secured the title of FIDE Master by winning the World Youth Chess Championship Under 8. In 2015, Praggnanandhaa got another victory in the Under 10 category. In 2016, at just 10 years, 10 months, and 19 days old, Praggnanandhaa became the youngest international master in history. In 2017 he achieved his first Grandmaster norm in November. In 2019, he won the Ekstraklubben Chess Open in Denmark and the World Youth Championships in the Under 18 section. In December of the same year, he became the second youngest player to achieve a rating of 2600. In 2021, Praggnanandhaa earned victory in the Meltwater Champions Chess Tour. In February 2022 when Praggnanandhaa became the third Indian player to defeat world champion Magnus Carlsen in any time format during the Athens Masters Rapid Tournament. In May 2022, he achieved another victory over Carlsen. He repeated this feat by defeating Carlsen 3 times. In the FTX Crypto Cup 2022, securing the second position overall. A beautiful reminder that, behind every great player stands a strong and loving family. One of his most notable achievements came in the Chess World Cup 2023, when, at the age of 18, he became the youngest player to reach the final. In January 2023, Praggnanandhaa participated in the Tata Steel Chess Masters and accomplished a remarkable victory against a 2800 rated Grandmaster, Ding Liren. Let's have a look at scores of both the players during this year's match. Here's the round 1 scores. Round 2 scores. Round 3 scores. Round 4 scores. Round 5 scores. Round 6 scores. Round 7 scores. Round 8 scores. Round 9 scores. Round 10 scores. On seeing all rounds scores, we can guess how tough was the match to win. Mothers of both the players waiting outside while they were having their match. Let's try to know few more interesting things about this game. Who is the number 1 chess player in India? Arjun Eragesi. Country: India. 5 ranking: 4. Classical rating: 2778. Arjun Eragesi is India's highest ranked chess player in the world currently. Who is the king of India chess? Viswanathan Vishya Anand, born the 11th of December 1969. Is an Indian chess grandmaster, a former 5-time world chess champion and a record 2-time Chess World Cup champion. Who is the 17-year-old Indian chess champion? Grandmaster Gukesh D. Indian chess grandmaster Gukesh D created history. The 17-year-old secured a win at the candidates tournament after 14 rounds of matches that extended over 3 weeks. Gukesh is the World Championship challenger, having recently won the FIDE Candidates 2024.